Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Petersburg, western Prince George County, north central Sussex County, and southeastern Virginia, east central Dinwiddie County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:05 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Petersburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prince George around 3:25 p.m. Disputata around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include New Bohemia, Richard Bland College, Templeton, Reims, and Prince George Golf. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Siskiyou, CA, beginning at 3:08 p.m. and ending at 9:08 p.m. This is an evacuation order for the area east of Happy Camp, Zone CIS, -1,111 and CIS, -1,227. The warning for 1,224. Please leave the area immediately for those in the order area due to fire. You can access the Philmac line of Siskiyou County Office of Emergency Services.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.
You know, these people are crazy. He's showing a blob on